Aloha! Today I'm tackling a disgusting driver seat using the shop vacuum extractor kit available at high-detail.com. Let's get into it. This seat had oily stains that smelled absolutely terrible. I honestly wish we had smell-o-vision so that you could experience what I did. Here I'm starting by applying carpet shampoo with an IK handheld sprayer. Notice how the shampoo beads up instead of soaking into the fabric? That's the oil contamination blocking absorption. Because the seat is so heavily soiled, I'm using a drill brush to break up the oil and grime. Most of the time you can go straight to extraction, but this one needed extra agitation. Time to fire up the extractor. I begin with a dry pass to pull out as much loose debris and leftover soap as possible before introducing water. This step isn't required, but it's a habit I picked up over 20 years ago, and it just stuck with me. You can already see how much dirt the extractor is pulling out on that dry pass alone. If you'd like to see more content like this, let me know in the comments below. Now let's start extracting. Keep in mind, this is a cold water extraction kit. The ideal technique is one wet pass followed by 2 dry passes. It prevents oversaturation, reduces wicking, and speeds up dry time. Now, I don't always follow my own advice, but it really does make a difference. The seat back needed a second round of shampoo and scrubbing. That oil stain was stubborn. But look at that, the stain is gone and the seat is finally coming back to life. I've got the extractor kit hooked up to a rigid portable shop vacuum, which has more than enough suction to pull moisture out of the fabric quickly, leaving it nearly dry. I get a lot of questions about cold water extraction. Cold water extraction itself will remove most soiling. This is what I explain to my customers. Shampoo and agitation is used for those stubborn stains. Water is only used to remove the soap, dirt, and grime. You wouldn't want to wash your clothes and let the soapy water dry on it, right? And now for the best part, the before and after shots. I went ahead and extracted the rest of the car off camera. Those areas weren't nearly as dirty as the driver's seat. The transformation speaks for itself. And let me tell you, the car smelled fresh and clean when I was done. For more information and additional products, check out our website at high-detail.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Mahalo for watching.